Hi, this is Washogi. This is another unboxing. I got this watch from Amazon. As you can see, I took the liberty of cutting it first so it'll be easy for me since I'm one-handed. So let's see. So as you can see here, this is a white rectangular box. And there's only a sticker. The sticker says the movement is made in Japan and the brand is made in China. There's nothing else on the sleeve itself. Now we take off the sleeve, which I'm trying to do with one hand, which is actually quite rather difficult. But if you do that, you will see that it is a box from Timex. Now this is signed, but this is still not the main watch box. The main watch box is beneath this. So this is the main watch box. Again, nicely grayed with a very nice subtle branding on the watch box itself. So if you open it, this is the watch that I got from Amazon, from Timex itself, and this is the M79 automatic, a very classic re-edition of their old vintage watch. So anyway, please follow the channel. The full review about this watch will be coming soon. Give a thumbs up and happy days.